This project is called the raining blood. For this project, we will only need 4 ingredients, which are some oil, a jar of water, some food coloring, and a fork. As you can see, we use red food coloring and green food coloring. For the first step, take the cup that contains oil and put few drops of the food coloring. Here, you will see that the food coloring sinks to the bottom of the oil. Now take the fork and mix it all together.
A few moments later.
The mixture should look like this. After it is mixed, simply pour the oil and food coloring mixture into the jar of water that we prepared. As we all know, naturally the oil will float on top of the water. But after a few seconds, here comes the interesting part. Small droplets of the mixture starts to drop to the bottom of the water. This happens because the mixture of oil and food coloring is heavier than the water, which allows them to fall to the bottom. They cling together in droplets. After some time, notice that some of the drops that fell to the bottom of the jar starts to go back to the surface. This is because the oil and the food coloring starts to separate. Therefore, the oil will float back to the surface while the food dye will start to blend with the water. The droplets of mixture of the food coloring and the oil dropping to the bottom of the water looks like blood raining, hence it is called the raining blood.